Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a raw mango salad tasty and healthy, especially for weight loss, and everybody can do within just 5 minutes. Let's see how.
You need raw mangoes, chili powder, salt, then sugar, and finally a glass of water. What are you doing, man? Go and buy fresh mangoes. Taste it now.
Take a sharp knife or a peeling tool in both. First, remove the top part attached to the joint. Then slice off a thin strip of mango skin by give a little push towards you. Right. Be very careful when you do this. If you are not used to it, then take a peeling tool and then you can easily remove the skin. Once you remove skin, then position mango vertically on a board and slice wider side of mango first without cutting seed because it gives unpleasant taste. Then cut opposite and side also. So cut all mango like this. Then take a slice and cut like I do. First cut into lines along and then cut into lines across for making small pieces. Collects all into the bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. If you are not used to eat chili, please don't add a pinch, otherwise you will get burned. 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons little by little while you do mixing. Boom! We have prepared a tasty, chili and healthy mango salad. Yeah, that's the end of my video. Comment the photos of what you make in my Facebook page and tell how it taste would be. If you have any problems, please comment below, sure I will answer. Then if you are interested in my video, share with your friends about this tasty. This is my YouTube channel, subscribe for watch more. Thanks for watching, have a tasty day.